guys, it's been so long. I know I've been getting like some comments from you guys asking me what happened, come back with the looks, and it's been like a year, I think. Just focusing on, you know, my makeup as an artist, and been just really busy with that, and I just got caught up and I was just grinding and neglected, you know, making videos. That's basically what happened. Or I'm like, I'm tired, I don't feel like it, and it just turns into like a week, then a month, then 3 months. Now it's a year. I want to get more content out, do it consistently, because I missed editing and recording and all that stuff. I don't have a crew backing me up. I'm doing everything by myself, so you have to be patient. I hope you enjoy this look because Buxom sent me a PR package and I really wanted to use it. You'll get to see that in a second. And I have to say real quick, I did a hair tutorial too on this style. Is crochet. It's been so long since I recorded. I was looking washed out and I could not figure out the lighting. I did not like the way it came out at all, so I deleted it, and it hurt me because I worked so hard. The quality was so shitty, I wouldn't even dare upload that. So I could do it over again or another style, whatever. We'll see. Love you guys. It's about to cut off again. Glad I'm back.
Everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, cause I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high, I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories, now the sun's gone down. Like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. This ain't no sugar-coated love. Love, I stay in bed, I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft. Not looking for no heaven or gold, cause I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high, I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors are memories, now the sun's gone down.